Lord Ganesha has descended on earth and thus begins the joy in people's heart. There is festivity in the air all over with devotees looking their best, praying with utmost devotion to welcome Bappa. Every year, people from all over visit Maharashtra to witness the massive celebration. With the innumerous famous pandals that the city boasts of, Lal Bagh Raja is one of the most renowned in the country. Lal Bagh Raja, the king of Lal Bagh, is the most famous Ganapati of India. Lal Bagh, a prominent locality in Mumbai, is in the state of Maharashtra. During the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, everyone comes to have darshan of their beloved Ganapati Bappa. The idol is kept for public display for 11 days. Thereafter, it is immersed in the Arabian Sea at Girgaon Chowpatty on the auspicious day of Anant Chaturdashi. Every year, right from the first day of 10 days Ganeshotsav, lakhs of people make their way to Mumbai's Lal Bagh Raja Ganesh Mandal, where they battle huge crowds and serpentine queues just to be able to worship the Vigna Vinasaka. It is believed that this idol of Ganesha is Navasacha Ganapati, which means the one who fulfills all wishes. And hence, this year, during coronavirus pandemic, our beloved Lord Ganesha blesses all to fulfill their wishes and also given us a chance to be a part of the mission to save the world and all the creature of God as a real hero during this global disaster. This year, the Lal Bagh Raja Ganapati Mandal, not having installed an idol in view of the coronavirus pandemic and instead organized an Arogya Utsav, a health festival. Keeping in mind the pandemic and the need to keep celebrations muted, the organizing committee of the Lal Bagh Sarvajanik Ganotsav Mandal has organized a blood and plasma donation camp. While the plasma camp has been going on since 3rd of August in association with the nearby King Edward Memorial Hospital, the blood donation camp was inaugurated on Ganesh Chaturthi and will be held from 10 am to 4 pm throughout the festival. The initiative taken by the Lal Bagh Raja Ganapati Mandal is inspiring for all. Through this work, the Lal Bagh Raja Ganapati Mandal has gained a strong place in everybody's heart. The organizing committee has set up a blood and plasma donation camp in place of its usual towering Ganapati idol. The entire program has been properly organized by the committee during this pandemic situation. Committee has given sanitization facility at every point of the event, paying more attention to the safety of the participants and devotees. Committee have paid full attention so that all those who come to participate in the program can have the facilities properly from registration to counseling so that participants can love to be a part of the program. Our loving warriors are not only helping people on the ground, but they are also helping many people by donating their blood and plasma by joining this program. No person needs any position to become a warrior. Even anyone can be a warrior by helping someone from the heart during this global disaster. We always think when we pray to God, does He accept our prayers? In reality, God hears our prayers and also helps us to find solutions. We hope that we can do something for the society after getting inspiration from this video. And if you like this video, please like and share it, and also forward to your friends and family members. If you want us to make more videos like this, then give us your valuable suggestion and subscribe to our channel. Stay home, stay safe.